Surprise! I just dyed my own hair at home for the first time ever with Madison Reed. I was expecting mediocre results, but I am blown away at how great it turned out. Bye-bye, gray at the crown of my head.
My first time today, went to a party afterwards and received so many compliments. Not only that, my hair is unbelievably soft. I'm in my 50s, have colored a lot by myself in high-end salons. I was skeptical, but I can say that I'm very impressed, and this was the only color I use going forward. Thanks, MR.
I am so happy I just saved 3 hours of my life and over $100. I was able to give myself a pedi while waiting on my hair. Ultimate multitasking. I can agree.
Kim says, first time ever coloring my hair, and I'm so proud of myself. Hashtag I can do this.
So I've been seeing this client for probably 6 years, coloring her hair every 4 weeks, root touch-ups, and then I would do highlights in between, like on the rotating appointment of about every third appointment. And when I switched over to Madison Reed Color, I asked her ahead of time, are you okay with me using a new color line on you? I'm really excited about it. It's ammonia-free, and I think you're gonna love it. I put the color on her, and I was using Arpisa Blonde 9NA, and because she's a light brown going blonde with a little bit of gray. And she's sitting there with the color processing on her head, and it's been on about 15 minutes, and she goes, you know what's nice about this is my scalp isn't like burning and itching. And I'm like, your scalp has been burning and itching? I've been doing your hair for 6 years and you never said anything to me about this. And she was like, well, I'm a blonde. I just thought being blonde is kind of painful. And like, you know, beauty is pain. When I talk to our clients on the phone or when I'm having an email interaction with our clients or people who are working with the product, to just kind of hear that surprise from them that it doesn't have to be that way and the hair color doesn't smell and it feels good and it works how you think it's going to, and it's just a pleasant process.
A woman came in and her hair was kind of compromised and she was kind of iffy. It was her first time here. And then we did roots and a gloss on her, and she was amazed with the quality and how the gloss really made her hair feel. And even during the blowout, it was like in certain lighting that she had strands of gold in her hair. It was kind of like I was Rumpelstiltskin spinning gold. Like, it was amazing, and she was amazed. And she loved the way that her hair felt. It felt really smooth and shiny. And she gave me a hug afterwards. She started off a little rocky, and I was a little uncertain. And then those are the best clients because it was like, you're not sure how she feels, and then when they give you a hug, you know that your job's well done.
When I do color consults, one that really stuck out to me was a client who was in her late 40s. Her husband was a little younger, and you know, she had some gray areas, and she really did not feel beautiful from the gray areas, and she couldn't use any hair color because of all the harsh chemicals. So she was just so thrilled to find Madison Reed. She felt like it was a game changer, life changer. She wanted every part of us, you know, and she feels beautiful again, you know. She works out, she's healthy, but the one thing that was holding her back was her hair in the gray that she could not stand. So she expressed that, and it really did make me feel good inside.
Hi, my name is Kevin, husband to Linda. A few months ago, Linda canceled her periodic autofill order for her hair color due to serious illness. A short time later, Linda was very surprised to receive a gift from the Madison Reed family and a note from Miss Amy Arrett wishing her well. Thank you so much for thinking of Linda and the nice blanket which she uses just about every day. It is rare in today's world that one receives such a nice gesture from a business and a person with whom one is not acquainted. Linda asked me to write you a short note of thanks and to let you know that it made us feel very special. I hope this finds you and yours well, and that you have continued success in whatever you do. Sincerely, Kevin and Linda. And that just about makes me cry.